say you don't know me. I recognize my face. Say you don't care.
Here we are at Coliseum, second largest rapid run east of the Colorado River in North America. Some call it a stairway to heaven. I got the funny feeling they're going to call it a highway to hell. Watch this.
Too many runaways eating up the night. Marconi plays the mama. Listen to the radio. Don't you remember? We built this city. We level up.
Smash.
Yeah, we level up. I'm gonna climb up the levels, go harder. Lights flash every time we go past. I'll never lose the game, I'm gonna last. So let's start, yeah, we level up.
All over the radio and back up in the raves again. We got the crowd on the wave like it's a stadium. Call me the weatherman, it's about to be a great weekend. Come on the cloud, let's make it rain again.
Yeah, we level up.
Nice but naughty shirts and dresses looking saucy. Living in our minuses cause life begins at 40. Level up, call me Bond, James Bond. How I maintain when the stays on. My brain racing like I'm trying to win the gold for Britain. On a one-track mind, let's go the distance. We're only stopping when we pose for pictures. And now we move so wavy we get motion sickness.
I'm gonna climb up the levels, go harder. Lights flash every time we go past. I'll never lose the game, I'm gonna last. So let's start, yeah, we level up.
It's been an amazing, great bluebird, sunshiny day here on the Ottawa River. Those guys did the ultimate technical perfect lines. No one died. Unbelievable. Welcome to Wilderness Tours. We hope you come back. Thanks for everything, man.